Work not dey, work not dey. Men now they sleep for us. Women they color over.
This our Nigerian sister wey dey do farm work for Italy don finally talk on my side. She don come give to the people wey dey use their mouth take dey yarn about her. They talk say work no dey for Italy, especially the men. She say na so sleep na dey sleep for inside house. They no wan work and they no wan even get up for their number make dem go look for work. They go stay for inside house, they sleep every day and night. And na dem still dey use their mouth take dey talk anyhow. They talk say work no dey for Italy. Say work no dey the countryside. Say na suffer the people wey dey for Italy dey suffer. Whereas na dem don wan work. Na dem no wan ready comot for house go look for work. She say many women wey dey for the countryside, they dey go farm work. They go dey hustle for their daily bread. But then the men wey dey for inside, they no wan do anything at all. They dey find women money wey they wan chop. E get why. Oh yeah, now make una lis ten to this our Nigerian sister. The way she come dey talk everything as she dey do her farm work, as she dey plug over wey she dey do for the farm work. And as una dey lis ten to una, make una dey drop una opinion for the comment section below. And as una dey drop una opinion, make una dey share the video. May e for reach many people and may dem for the get sense. E get why.
Come see where women they color over. See, you not strong, not put body. You hear me? Work not dey, work not dey. Men now they sleep for us. Women they color over. See, work not dey, not dey, not dey. Who tell una say work not dey? No, me I teach you how to cut over. And so. And so. See the work. Work not dey, work not dey. Not be work. Not be work be this. Today wine. Not be work be this. And I'll say work not dey. And so we dey do am for here. Now agriculture now we dey do for here. Now we dey run now. We dey run now. You want learn how to cut over, come meet me. I go teach you. You not be lazy work. You not strong, not put body. Not put body. What men can do, women can do it. I be this one. Okay, guys. See you guys later. Okay, now. We are done for today.